Hello friends, welcome to DD Question Bank. Today we are sharing with you AIBE 18 question paper set code C with official answer key. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to arbitration agreement as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? The right answer is option A. Arbitration agreement may be written as well as oral. Question number 2. In which of the following circumstances an arbitrator may not be challenged as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? The right answer is option C. When he possesses the qualifications agreed by the party. Question number 3. When may two persons be said to be related to each other by half-blood in accordance with the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? The right answer is option C. When they are descended from a common ancestors by different husbands. Question number 4. Which of the following is generally not considered as a valid condition for a Hindu marriage as per the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? The right answer is option D. The parties should not be suffering from epilepsy. Question number 5. Section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides for the following. First, grounds for restitution of conjugal rights. Second, grounds for judicial separation. Third, grounds for divorce. The right answer is option B, second and third. Question number 6. What is the meaning of the battle marriage in Muslim law? The right answer is option B, void marriage. Question number 7. What is a contract of marriage which may be dissolved by the wife under a power delegated to her called under the Muslim law? The right answer is option C, talaq-e-tafweez. Question number 8. A Hindu boy and a Hindu girl may be married under the following law. First, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Second, the Special Marriage Act 1954. The right answer is option C. Both first and second are correct. Question number 9. Through which of the following Amendment Act the rights in the co-personal property is made available to a girl child as well? The right answer is option C. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Question number 10. What should be the age difference between the adoptive father and his adopted daughter for a valid adoption? The right answer is option C, 21 years. Question number 11. Which of the following case may be considered as the first reported case of PIL in India? The right answer is option B, Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar. Question number 12. Who among the following is considered as the father of PIL in India? The right answer is option C, Justice P. N. Bhagwati. Question number 13. Against which of the following a PIL cannot be filed? The right answer is option C, against a private party. Question number 14. In the light of the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India, on which of the following issue a PIL cannot be entertained by the court? The right answer is option B, petition from jail for premature release. Question number 15. In which of the following landmark case it was held that principles of natural justice were applicable not only to judicial and quasi-judicial functions but also to administrative functions? The right answer is option A, A.K. Kraipak versus Union of India. Question number 16. In which of the following judgment the Supreme Court had comprehensively reconsidered S.P. Sampath Kumar versus Union of India case? The right answer is option B, L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. Question number 17. Who among the following defined administrative law as the law relating to the control of governmental power? The right answer is option B, Wade. Question number 18. What penalty is prescribed for persons illegally practicing in courts under the Advocate Act 1961? The right answer is option B, imprisonment up to 6 months. Question number 19. Which provision of the Advocate Act 1961 empowers the Bar Council of India to prescribe the standard of professional conduct and etiquette to be observed by advocates? The right answer is option D, Section 49. Question number 20. Which of the following is incorrect according to the Bar Council of India rules? The right answer is option A. An advocate can plead in any matter in which he is himself pecuniarily interested. Question number 21. Which of the following authority acts as an appellate authority against the order made by the Disciplinary Committee of the Bar Council of India? The right answer is option D, Supreme Court of India. Question number 22. In which of the following situations a one-person company OPC will mandatorily get converted into either private or public company? The right answer is option B, in case the paid-up share capital of an OPC exceeds 50 lakh rupees. Question number 23. What is the minimum number of directors required for a public company as per the Companies Act 2013? The right answer is option B, 3. Question number 24. In which of the following case the Supreme Court of India had explained the precautionary principle in details? The right answer is option A, Vellore Citizens Welfare Forum versus Union of India. Question number 25. Which of the following is a landmark case on the public trust doctrine in the environmental law? The right answer is option D, MC Mehta versus Kamal Nath. Question number 26. In which of the following case Section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000 was struck down by the Supreme Court? The right answer is option A, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. Question number 27. In which of the following case an electronic record shall not be attributed to the originator as per the Information Technology Act 2000? The right answer is option D, electronic record sent by an unauthorized person. Question number 28. What is the maximum period for which any woman shall be entitled to maternity benefit under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? The right answer is option D, 26 weeks. Question number 29. For what duration is a woman entitled to leave with the wages for tubectomy operation as per the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? The right answer is option A, 2 weeks. Question number 30. What should be the minimum number of workers originally employed in any factory for having at least one canteen in the factory as per the Factories Act 1948? The right answer is option D, 250 workers. Question number 31. Who among the following is not included in the definition of workman as per the Industrial Disputes Act 1947? The right answer is option D, a supervisor drawing monthly salary of rupees 12,000. Question number 32. Who has defined tort as tortious liability arises from the breach of duty primarily fixed by law? This duty is towards persons generally and its breach is redressable by an action for unliquidated damages. The right answer is option D, Winfield. Question number 33. Gloucester Grammar School case relates to which of the following important maxims? The right answer is option A, damnum sine injuria. Question number 34. Which of the following provision of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 relates to no fault liability? The right answer is option A, Section 140. Question number 35. How many consumer rights are identified under the Consumer Protection Act 2019? The right answer is option C, 6. Question number 36. Which of the following body constituted under the Consumer Protection Act 2019 is authorized to render advice on promotion and protection of consumers' right under the Act? The right answer is option B, Central Consumer Protection Council. Question number 37. Which of the following provision of the Constitution of India states that no tax can be levied or collected except by authority of law? The right answer is option D, Article 265. Question number 38. Which of the following would be the first previous year in case of a business or profession newly set up on 31st March 2020 as per the Income Tax Act 1961? The right answer is option B, start from 31st March 2020 and will be end on 31st March 2020. Question number 39. As per the Income Tax Act 1961, a person is said to be resident of India in any previous year if he had been in India for a period of the following number of days in the previous year. The right answer is option B, 182 days. Question number 40. Income is defined under which of the following provision of Income Tax Act 1961? The right answer is option B, Section 224. Question number 41. Which of the following is not a fraud as per the Indian Contract Act 1872? The right answer is option C, mere silence, if not duty, bound to speak. Question number 42. Which of the following statement is correct if A, intending to deceive, B, falsely represents that 500 mounds of indigo are made annually at A's factory and thereby induces B to buy the factory? The right answer is option C. Contract is voidable at the option of B. Question number 43. Which of the following injunction can be granted only by the decree made at hearing and upon the merit of the suit? The right answer is option B, perpetual injunction. Question number 44. A stipulation in a bond for payment of compound interest on failure to pay simple interest at the same rate as was payable upon the principal is not a penalty within the meaning of which of the following provision of the Indian Contract Act 1872? The right answer is option B, Section 74. Question number 45. What is the default interest payable under Section 63A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? The right answer is option C, 9% per annum. Question number 46. Which of the following is the time limit given under Section 17 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882? The right answer is option B, a period of 18 years from the date of transfer. Question number 47. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument as per the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881? The right answer is option B, hundi. Question number 48. In the light of Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, at what rate interest will be charged if the rate of interest is not mentioned on the negotiable instruments? The right answer is option C, 18% per annum. Question number 49. Within what period from the date of publication of the declaration, if no award is made, the entire proceedings for the acquisition of land shall lapse as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013? The right answer is option B, 12 months. Question number 50. What is the minimum percentage of affected families that need to give their prior consent for acquiring land for private companies as per the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013? The right answer is option B, 80%. Question number 51. Imagine an IPL team sets up a company to sell its own range of clothes. What type of intellectual property can the team use to show that the clothes are made by them? The right answer is option C, trademarks. Question number 52. How long do patents usually last for? The right answer is option B, 20 years. Question number 53. The concept of freedom of trade and commerce mentioned in the Indian Constitution is motivated from the experience of the following country? The right answer is option B, Australia. Question number 54. Which of the following writ is issued to enforce the performance of public duties by the authority? The right answer is option A, mandamus. Question number 55. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act had made the provision for publishing Hindi translation of the Constitution? The right answer is option D, 58th Amendment. Question number 56. Which of the following is the landmark judgment on the colorable legislation? The right answer is option A, State of Bihar versus Kameshwar Singh. Question number 57. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in light of the advisory opinion received in Ray Berubari case? The right answer is option C, the Constitution 9th Amendment Act 1960. Question number 58. Which of the following provision of the Constitution of India is relevant for solving questions of repugnancy between a central law and a state law? The right answer is option C, Article 254. Question number 59. What transition period was provided in the Constitution of India for changing official language of Union from English to Hindi? The right answer is option C, 15 years. Question number 60. In which of the following case it was held that there could be no reservation on single post in the cadre? The right answer is option A, Chakradhar Paswan versus State of Bihar. Question number 61. Sexual harassment of a working woman at her place of work may also be considered as the violation of which of the following provision of the Constitution of India? The right answer is option D, Article 19(1)(g). Question number 62. Which of the following doctrine has been applied to resolve the conflict between Article 25(2)(b) and 26(b) of the Constitution of India? The right answer is option A, Doctrine of Harmonious Construction. Question number 63. In which of the following situations Indian Penal Code 1860 may not apply? First, an offence committed by Indians outside India. Second, an offence committed by any person on any ship registered in India. Third, any person committing offence targeting computer resources located in any country. The right answer is option C, only third. Question number 64. How many types of punishment are currently existing under the Indian Penal Code 1860? The right answer is option C, 5. Question number 65. A and Z agree to fence with each other for amusement. In the course of such fencing, while playing fairly, A hurts Z severely. Which of the following offence is committed by A? The right answer is option D, no offence. Question number 66. In which of the following situations right of private defense cannot extend to causing death? The right answer is option C, in case when assault is reflecting intention of causing simple hurt. Question number 67. For which of the following section of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word benefit does not include pecuniary benefits? The right answer is option A, section 89. Question number 68. X intentionally pulls up a woman's veil without her consent, intending to annoy her. As per the Indian Penal Code 1860, which of the following offence he has committed? The right answer is option B, criminal force. Question number 69. What punishment is prescribed under the Indian Penal Code 1860 for a person who maims any minor in order that such minor may be used for the purposes of begging? The right answer is option D, imprisonment for life and fine. Question number 70. X threatens to publish a defamatory libel concerning Y unless Y gives him money. Which of the following punishment may be given to X for the act committed by him as per the Indian Penal Code 1860? The right answer is option B, imprisonment up to 3 years or with fine or with both. Question number 71. Which of the following sentence is an assistant sessions judge authorized to pass as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option C, sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years. Question number 72. A person arrested by a private person for committing a non-bailable and cognizable offence shall be re-arrested by a police officer if such person comes under which of the following provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option A, section 41. Question number 73. Under which of the following situation wife is not entitled for maintenance under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option B, voluntarily wife refuses to live with husband. Question number 74. Which of the following procedure is dealt under section 164A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option A, medical examination of the victim of rape. Question number 75. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to diary of proceedings in investigation as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option C. The diary may be used as evidence. Question number 76. In which of the following cases manner of committing offence is not required to be mentioned in the charge as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option A. A is accused of the theft of a certain article at a certain time and place. Question number 77. Which of the following offences may be tried summarily as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option C. Offence punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 2 years. Question number 78. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 provides for reference to High Court? The right answer is option D. Section 395. Question number 79. A person accused of the following offence may not be granted bail under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. First, accused of offence under Section 376 AIBE of the IPC. Second, accused of the offence under Section 376 DA of the IPC. Third, accused of the offence under Section 376 DB of the IPC. The right answer is option D. First, second and third. Question number 80. Which of the following act, if done by any magistrate, even in good faith without being empowered, shall vitiate the proceeding as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The right answer is option C. Attached property under Section 83 of the CRPC. Question number 81. Which of the following is material for deciding the jurisdiction of the civil court in the light of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option A. Averments made in the plaint. Question number 82. Which of the following cannot be considered as the suit of civil nature for Section 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option A. Suit for recovery of voluntary payments or offerings. Question number 83. Which of the following provision of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 makes the doctrine of res judicata applicable in representative suit? The right answer is option B. Section 11, explanation 6th. Question number 84. In which of the following situations a court will not issue summons for personal appearance of the defendant? The right answer is option C. If defendant resides 250 miles away from the court in an area having public conveyance available. Question number 85. In which of the following situation plaintiff is precluded from bringing a fresh suit as per the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option C. Dismissal of suit in because plaintiff did not appear. Question number 86. How many times at max may an adjournment be granted to a party during hearing of the suit as per the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option B. 3 times. Question number 87. Which of the following Amendment Act made the provision in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 to produce a witness without a summons? The right answer is option B. The Code of Civil Procedure Amendment Act 1999. Question number 88. Which of the following is not included in the word costs as provided under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option C. Fooding and lodging expenses incurred. Question number 89. What period is prescribed under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 for defendant to enter an appearance for filling address for service of notice on him in case of a suit where summary procedure is to be applied? The right answer is option B. 10 days from the date of receiving of summons. Question number 90. Under which of the following provisions of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 the appellate court may remit an issue for trial to lower court? The right answer is option D. Order XLI Rule 25. Question number 91. A is accused of the murder of B by beating him. Which of the following will not be considered as relevant fact forming part of the same transaction as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? The right answer is option D. Whatever said by A or B a day before the day of beating. Question number 92. Which of the following provisions of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 says that the confession of police officer shall not be proved against him? The right answer is option B, section 25. Question number 93. Under which of the following provision of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 dying declaration may be admitted as evidence? The right answer is option C, section 32. Question number 94. Which of the following is correct according to the Indian Evidence Act 1872 pertaining to proof of contents of the documents? The right answer is option D. Contents of documents may be proved either by primary or by secondary evidence. Question number 95. Which of the following is a correct statement as per the Indian Evidence Act 1872? The right answer is option B. Leading questions may be asked in cross-examination. Question number 96. In which of the following case did the Supreme Court of India clarify the admissibility of electronic record as evidence? The right answer is option A. Anwar PV versus PK Bashir. Question number 97. Which of the following is incorrect statement in the light of Indian Evidence Act 1872? The right answer is option B. Admissions are conclusive as to the matters admitted. Question number 98. Which of the following section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 is an exception to the hearsay rule? The right answer is option A, section 32(1). Question number 99. Which of the following is not a recognized alternate dispute resolution mechanism under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The right answer is option D, negotiation. Question number 100. Which of the following is incorrect statement with respect to Lok Adalat? The right answer is option B. Lok Adalat can deal with all civil and criminal matters. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.